Now, building a web app doesn't even require coding anymore. I just typed a few sentences, and this AI instantly created a real working application. From the login system, dashboard, and database to mobile responsiveness, everything was automatically built by AI. And today, we're going to try building a web app from scratch using Hostinger Horizons. So this is Hostinger Horizons. It's basically an AI-powered web app builder where you simply describe the app you want, and the AI builds it for you automatically. No coding, no technical setup, and what's interesting is that this doesn't just create landing pages. It can actually build functional web apps with login systems, databases, dashboards, storage, and more. All right, now I'm going to choose the starter plan first. I think this is already enough to start building a first project. And later, if your project grows, you can always top up more credits anytime. Now, during checkout, you can also apply a discount coupon. I'm going to use the coupon code MAKEITSIMPLE, which gives an extra 10% discount. So if you guys want to try it too, you can use the same code. Then here, I'm choosing the annual plan. And they also include a 30-day money-back guarantee. All right, after logging in, the onboarding process is actually really simple. Now, we just need to describe the app we want to build. And for this demo, I'm going to create a booking app for my own barbershop called Rock Barber. I'm asking the AI to create a modern barbershop booking web app for Rock Barber. I want it to include a booking form, appointment scheduling, calendar selection, an admin dashboard, mobile responsive design, smooth animations, and a modern dark UI. And what's really interesting, I'm also asking the AI to automatically create branding and a logo for Rock Barber. All right, and now the AI is generating everything automatically. You can actually see it building the app structure in real time. It's creating the interface, the booking system, the dashboard, and all the components automatically. Honestly, this is really satisfying to watch. Okay, and this is the first result. Honestly, this already looks like a real professional booking app. The UI looks modern, there's already a booking form, calendar selection, time scheduling, and even an admin dashboard. And remember, all of this came from a single prompt. And this is really cool. The AI even created a logo for Rock Barber automatically. Honestly, for an instant AI-generated logo, this already looks pretty good for starter branding. All right, now let's test the booking system. So here, the customer can enter their name, choose a booking date, then select an available time slot, and then choose the haircut service. Once everything is filled in, we just click Book Appointment. Now, let's check the admin dashboard. And there it is. The booking we just created instantly appears inside the dashboard automatically. So the admin can immediately see who booked, what time they selected, and which service they chose, which means the database and scheduling system are already working automatically. And what's even better, the app is already fully responsive on mobile devices. So without doing any extra setup, the layout automatically adjusts perfectly for smartphones. And honestly, this is really important because most people today access websites from their phones. Now, let's try editing the app using AI chat. And this is probably the most interesting part, because instead of coding manually, we can literally just talk to the AI like we're chatting. So this time, I want to add a barber selection feature. I want customers to be able to choose their preferred barber. So I'm adding 4 barbers, James, Richard, Kevin, and Ahmad. And I'm also asking the AI to automatically create profile cards and booking schedules for each barber. And again, all of this is done just by typing instructions in chat. No coding at all. All right, and now the new feature is already added. Customers can now choose which barber they want: James, Richard, Kevin, or Ahmad. And the AI even automatically created profile cards for each barber. Honestly, features like this would normally require additional coding if you built it manually. But here, the AI just handles everything automatically.
And another feature that's actually really useful here is Kodee AI Assistant. So basically, Kodee helps you improve and manage your project directly inside Hostinger Horizons. You can use it to add new features, edit layouts, improve the UI, update components, or even help explain parts of your project. And honestly, this is really helpful, especially for beginners who don't know coding. Because instead of manually editing code, you can simply describe what you want using normal language. And the AI helps handle the technical part automatically. Now, let's make this booking app even more realistic. I want customers to be able to pay directly during the booking process. So this time, I'm asking the AI to add payment integrations using Stripe, PayPal, and credit card payments. And once again, all I have to do is type the request in chat. No manual setup, no coding, no complicated integrations. All right, and now the payment system has already been added automatically. Customers can now choose their payment method during checkout. So, for example, they can pay using Stripe, PayPal, or directly with a credit card. And the AI also automatically created a payment selection page, checkout summary, pricing display, and booking confirmation flow. And honestly, this already feels like a real professional booking application that's ready for customers. And what's really impressive is how fast everything gets added just through AI prompts. All right, now let's publish the app. We can connect a domain directly here. Then simply click Publish. And now, the Rock Barber booking app is officially live on the internet. Honestly, that was incredibly fast. I think this is really interesting because now people who don't know how to code can finally build their own applications. And the process is so much faster compared to traditional development workflows. Whether you want to test a business idea, build a booking system, or create internal tools, this is honestly really powerful. So if you guys want to try building your own web app with AI, you can check out Hostinger Horizons using the link in the description. And don't forget, you can also use the coupon code MAKEITSIMPLE for an extra 10% discount. Maybe your app idea could go live today too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.